In this video, best electric space heater for garage.
It can be a bit tricky to find the best products with a wide range of options available. That's why we spent countless hours researching and analyzed many customer reviews in preparing this list. Our final rankings based on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. If you'd like to see their price and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description down below. Let's get started with the list.
Best electric space heater for garage.
Starting off our list at number 5.
In deep cold winters, AirChoice will offer you a cute oil-filled radiator heater. It adopts energy-saving and environmental-friendly heating technology, making your home quickly warm in seconds. This oil heater is durable and maintenance-free. The oil inside of the heater doesn't need to be replaced or refilled. The outfit doesn't need to be maintained by disassembly. Thus, the heater is solid enough for at least 5 years of use. The oil electric heater would help you out from being worried about the heater will be broken once you stop using it. This space heater equips a thermostat. The high code aims to heat up space in deep cold days. This mini radiator heater carries overheat shutoff to prevent accidents. Forget to turn off the heater before leaving home? Don't worry, when the internal components are overheated, this safe oil heater will automatically shut off and prevent fire caused by abnormal temperature rise. This oil-filled heater would warm your room extremely quiet. There's no noise made, so you and your family could sleep comfortably while it's working. Since its small size, it is so portable that you can place it anywhere you like. AirChoice Radiator Heater really would like to become your warm friend in winter, even all the time.
These are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list.
Cozy up with the DeLonghi Comfort Temp Portable Radiant Heater. Equipped with 1500 watts of warming power, this heater features multiple heat settings and an adjustable thermostat for custom comfort. Safety features include automatic shutoff switch for overheat protection. The Comfort Temp function automatically modifies the heat and power settings to save energy, and the attached wheels make them easy to move. Delivering gentle, full room, long-term warmth, DeLonghi Radiant Heaters distribute heat quietly, evenly, and efficiently. Enjoy the comfy convenience of the DeLonghi Comfort Temp Portable Radiant Heater.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best electric space heater for garage.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.